Established in 1996, Shanghai Best Steel Steel Structure Building Company Limited, hereinafter referred to as Best Steel, is located in Shanghai Baoshang Industrial Zone. Now Best Steel covers an area of 200 mu, about 133,333 square meters. Best Steel is awarded as Shanghai High-Tech Enterprise, Technology Center for Enterprises in Baoshang District, Shanghai Model Enterprise of Design Innovation, and American FM Advisory Committee member unit. Best Steel has been rated as Steel Structure China brand, Shanghai Famous Brand Product, and Shanghai Famous Trademark. Together with Tongji University, Best Steel has established Testing Center Cladding System, National Lab, based on which Xingzhujiang Academician Work Station is established. Best Steel is one of the largest manufacturing bases for prefabricated metal roof and wall cladding and steel decking system in China mainland. Best Steel has always been in the leading place in the steel structure construction and cladding system technology and products. Best Steel's products mainly are advanced prefabricated metal roof and wall cladding systems and decking system, advanced standing seam curve system, metal rock wool and PU sandwich, panel system originated from Europe, residential light gauge steel framing system originated from Australia. With its advanced technology and fruitful experience, Best Steel has guaranteed and will keep guaranteeing our customers with high-quality products, best steel building system solutions, and best service.